Frank 220, and I'm 97 on Quincy. It appears this has turned into a disturbance. Hello.
Good evening.
What's going on?
He's pissed because I'm trying to get this yard done and he doesn't like how I'm parking.
Okay.
Even though I did allow room for everybody else to park because there's nowhere for me to park without blocking somebody's mailbox or their driveway when that's the yard I'm trying to get to. He's trying to tell me I'm supposed to park down by the elementary school. But I did accommodate, make sure I have my phones out, I got space to get around, and as you saw, his own vehicle, he was still able to get out of his own driveway and block the whole freaking section off, which is what he was saying, he couldn't even back out of his driveway because I was blocking the road.
Okay. Well, alright then.
And of course too, when I first pulled up here, I got started, before I even made my first pass, he came out there jumping, yelling, "Hey, what the fuck are you doing? You can't be parking there. How the hell am I supposed to get out of my driveway? If you don't fucking move it, I'm going to call the cops." And pokes me, jabbed him right in the face. Right in the chest.
He jabbed you in the chest?
Yes, sir.
You want to file assault and battery charges?
If he wants to press the matter about being how he is, then yes. Otherwise, if we can just let things, bygones be bygones, then I'd say let it go. But if he wants to keep acting like that, then yes.
Hello. How are you?
Neighbor, man. I'm just going to say, Richard, he's he's always doing stuff like this. This guy's just trying to work and cut yards, and he does stuff like this all the time.
Oh, I'm very familiar with Mr.
Sure
McMahon. Yeah.
I'm just sorry. I just wanted to vouch for him because I know you're just trying to do your thing, and he's always got to be a.
Like you heard him, how does that make sense for me to go park down by the elementary school to come way down here on my mower? That's not logical at all.
Anywhere block anything for him, he just loses his mind.
If you exist in this cul-de-sac, he loses his mind.
It's pretty ridiculous.
And like you saw, like he was saying, he couldn't back out. He had plenty of room, even with my tailgate down.
Yeah,
and he was able to get out of his driveway, and he decided to try to barricade me in here.
Okay. Did you at any point in time try to leave?
No, I'm still working. I just got done with mowing. I'm just starting with the edge.
Richard was blocking the road.
Yeah.
Still saw his car out here.
I'm just about done with the edge, and I still got to weed eat and then blow it, and then I'm heading off to the next one.
Okay. You have your ID on you?
Certainly. Back up.
That's a sad part, right? Your neighbor. Alright, hold tight for me up there.
Is it okay if I go ahead and keep working?
Yeah, I don't care. Well, Mr. McMahon was on one. Yeah, I'm recording. Mr. McMahon was on one when I got here.
Let's see if he's in your cage.
I haven't quite determined what we want to do yet. So I get here and he's got his little four-door car blocking the entire cul-de-sac so that he can't leave. As soon as I pull down the street, he beats feet and pulls back into his garage, shuts all the doors, goes inside. Talking to the RP, who's the lawn guy over here, he asked if he'd start weeding again. I'm like, yeah, sure. Start talking to him, and he's like, yeah, he's on a tirade about how I'm blocking the cul-de-sac. He can't get out of his driveway. He says at one point, Richard takes his finger and shoves it into his chest. I said, well, do you want to press charges for the assault and battery? And he's like, well, not if he doesn't want to do anything. Kind of a let me think about it situation. So,
Not if Richard doesn't want to do anything?
Yeah, pretty much.
What does Richard have to do?
Oh, because Richard is pissed off that he's blocking the cul-de-sac. So basically, lawn guy, Mr. Nunley, is like, listen, if he doesn't want to do anything, if he just wants to drop it, I just want to drop it. Even the firefighter neighbor right there with the two trucks, he was trying to get in his driveway. Richard's blocking the entire cul-de-sac, won't let him in. And he comes out and he's like, yeah, Richard's a fucking prick. And I'm like, yep, he is. Yeah, we're very aware. So really at this point, I was just going to see what all traffic charges I have on Richard. Illegal parking probably would be my guess. Because I asked him, I was like, were you trying to leave it all? And he's like, no, he was just blocking the cul-de-sac. So I'm like, okay. Which I can write him a citation for because I saw that. And then we just need to determine whether or not he wants to press charges for the assault and battery.
Oh, Richard hit him?
He took his finger and shoved it into his chest.
Okay.
Yeah. So it would bring me great pleasure if we could take Richard McMahon to jail tonight. So I'm assuming, Mr. Traffic Officer, that you cannot block an entire roadway with your vehicle. So.
Was the truck actually blocking his driveway?
That's where it has been the entire time. Now, here's the question I have. To me, as a patrol officer, that's fine, because where else are you going to park it? But technically, is that considered parking in the middle of the road?
Is it impeding traffic? People have been flowing around?
Well, McMahon's claim was that he could not get around it, but clearly he was able to if he was blocking it in. So,
I don't understand this guy.
he's a narcissist. He's a narcissist with nothing better to do.
That's true.
Because it says you can't, for parking, you can't block a private drive, but he's not blocking it.
No, which is why I'm like, let's see, stopping, standing, parking.
And all the people to park in front of houses.
Well, and Richard calls us, but as soon as you roll up, he sees that he's in the wrong.
Yeah, because he doesn't want contact.
And he skirts inside because
Yep.
he knows I shouldn't have been doing that.
Who's the neighbor he has issues with?
All of them.
Well, if old boy wants to take the, if old boy wants to press charges, I can go ahead and take the A and B on him. If he wants to press charges, I'll hook him. But I doubt Richard even answers the door now.
Oh, I doubt so. No person shall park a vehicle within a street or alley in such a manner or under such conditions as to leave available less than 10 feet of width of roadway for the free movement of vehicular traffic. Do you think that would cover this?
Do you know exactly where he was parking?
This guy? Right here.
Oh, you're talking about this guy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Richard was blocking the entire fucking road.
Oh,
he was perpendicular to the roadway.
Talking about trying to
No. Richard's bought and paid for.
Okay. I mean, there's 10 feet on each, more than 10 feet, just a matter of how far. Is there quite a bit of distance?
I haven't been on the backside, but let's get a wheel and go see. And if he's got 10 feet, I say it's fine. Personally, but you're the traffic officer. You deal with this more than I do.
You're the head guy right now.
I'm just looking for an opinion, man.
Is he? So he's here doing a couple lawns and then he's bouncing.
Yeah.
I'll get my wheel out, but I think that trailer is more than 10 feet from
That's what I would have to assume as well.
Right here.
Oh yeah. Oh
Keep
yeah.
this guy from leaving, and I guess when he's referred, you skirted around went inside and has yet to be seen.
Yeah. Because he knows he's in the wrong and he doesn't want.
He's not gonna answer the door for us.
No.
Keeps his house good.
So, how about you and I go talk to the victim over here, see if he wants to press charges for the assault and battery, and I was going to add him to the call real quick.
That's right there. This is why I avoid before.
I know. I know.
Shouldn't get away with
Fucking McMahon. I hate this guy.
it. The camera is wrong.
Yep. Oh, I hate Richard McMahon. I don't care. Huh? Oh, I'll stand back and let you guys take care of it. I just think he's a douchebag.
Yes, sir.
Here's your ID back, man. So, do you want to press charges for the assault and battery?
Is he still trying to press me? Am I potentially facing a ticket for not parking legally?
As from what I can see, you haven't done anything wrong at all.
Is he still being good?
I
I really don't want to, but
Okay. Okay.
as long as everything's okay. I mean, I was pretty sure I was parked legally because I didn't obstruct anything.
It's not the greatest, but I also see that, from a practicality standpoint, you don't have a whole lot of other options. The ordinance says you have to leave at least 10 feet all the way around the trailer. You've done that. So I don't see anything wrong with it. It's just this guy's this guy.
Okay.
Yeah, so. All right.
Your last yard.
No.
Oh, in this cul-de-sac.
Yeah, this is actually a new one for the person. This is an Airbnb place, actually.
Mm-hmm.
And the person that they normally had to do it is way in Egypt, so they just needed me to do it 2 times. Today's one, and then another 2 weeks is going to be the other one. And then the normal guy that does this one is going to be
Back.
So you're almost done here and gonna head out.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, sounds good, man. I hope you have a good afternoon, all right? Yeah.
Just in case he might come back out, because even when I told him, I was like, well, then if you're going to keep acting that way, I'll just press charge on you for assault. He's like, well, you ain't got it on camera, do you? Because of his attitude, what's going on, if you wouldn't mind just waiting like 5 or 10 minutes and I'll be done, just in case he tries to come back out.
Yeah, we'll leave somebody out in the cul-de-sac for you.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, Richard McMahon.
Oh, Richard.
At first, I thought it was going to be the same one he's called in, like 2 days. For the past 2 days, he's called in on some vehicle that's been out here.
Well, that's what I thought too, which is why I was like, well, I'll just go ahead and head to it. But he's just 25 feet.
And then the other thing would be the trailer, but the trailer is 14 feet. It's not 24 feet.
All right. Well, he doesn't want to press charges for anything, so we'll just let it go. He's not going to answer the door for his improper parking. So
You want to try?
sure.
He, when I was measuring, he did open the door, so he's right there.
No.
Did he answer the door? Like, did he open the door out of curiosity?
He opened the door and then looked, and then closed the door. So he's by the door. He's walking.
Of course he is. Yeah, we can try.
I don't know. He could be possibly false. Facing assault and battery charge.
Hello. Just want to let you know that the trailer is legally parked.
Oh, so I can go park anywhere in the cul-de-sac the way he's parked.
The way he's parked is legal. The way you were parked when I showed up was not. So I need to see your driver's license so I can issue a citation for blocking the roadway.
I didn't block the roadway.
Yes, you did. I saw you. Listen. Hey. I'm investigating a traffic crime. You do not have the right to do that. You are detained. You are detained.
Come in my house.
You are detained.
For what?
For the traffic violation I observed. I need to see your
You're detaining me
license.
for a traffic violation.
Yes, I am. Open the door.
You're detaining
Come here. You are under arrest. You are under
all
arrest.
5 of you.
Yep, you are under arrest.
All 5 of you. Hey!
You got it?
Hey! Let me go! Hey!
One second.
You are under arrest. Quit resisting.
Not resisting!
Give me your arm.
Good Lord! Hey, guys. Oh, my goodness. Don't break my...
Well, then,
Quit resisting.
Ow!
Quit resisting.
I'm not... Ow!
you are actively resisting against me.
I am not... Holy...
Now you're under arrest for resisting arrest, obstruction, and the parking violation.
Okay.
All right, don't move so I can get these locked.
I never resisted you to begin with.
Yes, you
All
did.
5 of you hit me.
It's all on body cam, sir.
Yes, it is.
All right, we're gonna get you rolled over.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Let's stand yet.
All right. Wait.
All righty.
Can I bring anything with me?
What would you like?
My cell phone.
Where's it at?
Right there.
We will grab it. Anything else?
That should do it.
Okay.
You want your shoes?
Oh, yeah, man, my shoes.
His dog lost one.
There's a leash right there, Sleeper.
What's your dog's name?
Pepper. Guys, why did you assault me?
We were attempting to investigate the crime and you tried to shut the door on us. Other shoe.
What crime?
Parking violation. Come on. Hey.
I'm going, guys. I'm
Hey.
going. I'm going.
Hey, real quick. We did this once. Do not do
Ow!
it. Hey, stop. This can go either which way you choose.
I'm
All right?
choosing to
You
go
can peacefully
peacefully.
walk out there, or you can keep fighting us and go back to the ground. Do you understand?
Come on,
It's
Pepper.
yes or no?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
I'm not gonna. I thought I could walk out here peacefully.
I thought that.
Yeah, we shut the door. Keep walking.
Ask him. I don't know.
Yeah, what am I doing with?
I told you.
Bring me over this floor back there.
Did somebody grab my phone?
Here you go.
never even tried to resist or anything. You all came on me like a... Wow.
All right, Richard, you have anything on you?
No.
Okay. Take the glass off. There we go.
Sleeper, did you get the phone? We get the phone.
Where's it at?
It was right next to that end table.
Let me get the air turned on for you.
Well,
Yep.
you could also get animal at large. You really want it.
Well, I don't think we can push the animal at large.
Yeah, I'm not willing to push that. His
Did
glasses
Sleeper
are
get the
right
dog back inside?
there.
Hey,
Yeah,
Ray
dog's
back
back inside.
Was that, who was that to him, the female?
Pretty sure it's just a neighbor. So,
She jumped in to get involved pretty quick, didn't she?
sure did, didn't she?
We can post the phone.
You want to go ahead and just get him down there?
Yeah.
I'll write,
Go with them.
please.
Okay.
I'll write up the obstructing the flow of traffic or the improper parking citation, and we'll do the resisting obstruction on top of that.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll document that when we get down to the jail. We'll have to do a blue team on it, so, yeah.
I didn't render any strikes at all.
No one rendered strikes.
I understand, but I'm just letting you know.
Well, because it drew blood, well,
I know, I'm just letting General, hey, I didn't take any use of force tactics.
yeah, I know. But we'll still need to blue team it, so.
No, absolutely. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'll get him down here. Are you in custody?
I'll take it.
We'll both be down there.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Whoever. All right, thank you. He's got the cell phone.
Okay.
Frank 228. Would you show me in custody to Dole Mill?
I'm Chief Brandon Berryhill of the Broken Arrow Police Department. Internal Review Systems alerted my office of the issue, and I ordered the immediate release of the homeowner. The officer in question has been placed on administrative leave pending the outcome of the internal affairs investigation. We take this situation seriously, and in full transparency, we're releasing the following video.